Hello, welcome to the coffee shop. Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is.
Please feel comfortable.
Thank you. I would like some coffee, please.
Do you want hot or cold coffee?
I want hot coffee.
Would you like milk in your coffee?
Yes, milk would be good.
What about some sugar?
Just a little sugar.
Okay, 1 coffee with milk and a little sugar.
That is perfect. Thank you.
Would you like something to eat?
What do you have?
We have cookies and cake.
I would like 1 cookie, please.
Great, 1 coffee and 1 cookie. Would you like to sit here or take it to go?
I would like to sit here.
Perfect. Please take a seat. I will bring your order soon.
Thank you very much.
Here is your order, a hot coffee and cookies.
It smells very good.
Please enjoy.
Thank you.
Is everything okay?
Yes, everything is good. The coffee tastes good.
I'm happy to hear that.
I like this place. It feels calm.
Many people like to relax here.
Yes, it is a nice place to relax.
Would you like anything else?
No, thank you. I am fine. Excuse me?
Yes,
Can I have some water, please?
of course. 1 moment, please. Here you go.
Thank you. Where can I pay?
You can pay at the counter over there.
Okay, thanks. Hi, I would like to pay for my order.
Okay, that will be $5.
Here is the money.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Bye-bye.